Hello, good morning, children. This is the continuation video of a recent chapter which is beaks and claws. And in the previous class, we have already learned about beaks, isn't it? So, today's in this video, we shall learn about feet and claws of different birds. Okay, so let us see. We all know that all birds have 2 feet. Yes or no? Most birds have 4 toes in each foot, which is 3 in front and 1 at the back. Each toe ends up with a hard nail called claw. So you all can see in the picture a very hard nail which is called claw. The shape and size of the feet and claws are different in different birds. Children, different birds have different shape and sizes of their feet and claws. So we'll see how these feet and claws help the birds in performing the various tasks. Number 1 is the claws help the birds in catching, holding and eating food. Number 2, it helps some birds in walking, swimming, perching and climbing. Number 3, they protect the birds from their enemies. So these are the 3 points which they perform with the help of their feet and claws. Okay. Next is different birds having different living and eating habits. Okay, with the help of their claws and feet. Altogether, there are 7 kinds of birds. Number 1 is perching birds. Birds like sparrow, crow and pigeon use their feet to hold onto tree branches and sit on them. This act is called perching and such birds are called perching birds. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. This helps the perching bird to hold the claw. Okay? And their grip is so tight that they can even go to sleep while perching. Okay? Next kind of birds is scratching birds. Some birds like hen and quail scratch the ground to get grains, insects and worms. So you all can see in the picture hen is an example of scratching birds where they scratch the ground to get grains, insects and worms. They have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. They have very sharp horny claws to dig the ground. Okay, so that's why they are known as scratching birds. Next is preying birds. Birds like hawk, vulture and eagle are flesh eaters. They are also called preying birds. They have special feet to pick up larger animals like snake, mice and rabbit. Okay, so birds like vulture and eagle, they have a very special feet to pick up larger animals like snake, mice and rabbit. These birds have very strong and sharp claws called talons for tearing the flesh of the prey. Next is climbing birds. Birds like woodpecker and parrot have 2 toes pointing in the upward direction and 2 toes in the downward direction. They use their toes to climb up as well as to cling onto the bark of trees. Okay, so woodpecker and parrot has 2 toes pointing in the upward direction and 2 toes in the downward direction, which help them to climb and cling onto the bark of trees. Next is wading birds. The birds which can walk over shallow water are called wading birds. Okay? Why they are called wading birds? Because they can walk over shallow water. They have long and thin legs with wide spread toes that help them to walk in shallow water. Some of the examples are cranes, flamingos, storks, and herons. Okay? They can walk in shallow water with their thin legs. Next is swimming birds. Birds like swan, duck, and pelican are good swimmers. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. They have webbed toes with small claws. Okay? These help them to paddle and push water. So last we have is running birds. The ostrich is a running bird. It cannot fly. Okay, so running bird is an ostrich which cannot fly. It has very long and strong legs with only 2 toes on each foot for running on the ground. So, ostrich has only 2 toes on each foot for running on the ground. So we have come to know that the feet and claws help the birds in doing various tasks such as catching, holding, eating food, and also to protect them from their enemies. Okay, so with this we conclude our chapter.